everything that I'm showing you guys is $5 or less. Bunch of these really popular. My Jeep.
I don't really want to take down my Christmas tree.
I don't even know where to start. Y'all, like, I have so much stuff. What's up, you guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Asia Marie and you are now watching Asia Marie TV. And in today's video I will be doing a huge haul. I have so many items from Target, Dollar Tree, and a few items from Five Below. All of these items are Valentine's Day themed decor, so I will be showing you guys everything that I got and how I'm able to decorate my home on a budget. All of these items are $5 and less, okay? Nothing was over $5. I think only one thing was $10, and that was a rug. So let's just get straight into this video. So I have items for my kitchen, for my Christmas tree, for my Jeep, my bedroom, and my bathroom, and my office. So I racked up on stuff. I racked up. So I think I'm gonna start with the Target items first because these items are selling out really fast. I had to go to multiple Targets around the city to get what I wanted. So I actually had to go to 4 Targets to find these towels. I need 4 of them because I'm going to hang these in the kitchen, on my dishwasher, and on my oven. So I needed 4 of these, and then these towels I'm actually going to use on my place settings on the table. So I had to hunt for these, but these are so cute and the quality is really nice. So sticking with the towels, I also have these really cute cherry themed towels. I will be using these in my bathroom. So I also had to go to multiple Targets to find more than one. I love the stitching. It says "My Cherie," which is adorable. And if you can see behind me, I also purchased the matching pillows. I have a bunch of these pillows. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these on my bed or on the bean bags we have. Like I said, I do have a bunch of these, so I may use like one in my bed, one on this sofa that I'm sitting on, and then I do have a chair that's behind this camera. So I don't know how I'm going to use these, but I just bought multiples just to be sure that I have enough because like I said, they are selling out. Okay, I have another pillow from Target. So this is a XO pillow. It has like a velvety feel with the pink stitching. This pillow is it feels so good. So sticking with the pillow theme, Target also had these really cute bow pillows, and I know the bow theme is really popular, so I did purchase 2 of these. I'm going to sit these in my office in those large purple chairs. If you guys haven't seen my Christmas home tour, check that video out so you can have an idea of how my house is set up, and then it'll make sense. And the quality, you guys, is really good. Like, I love Target for this. Since we were talking about the office, I did find this bow tray. It's all metal and it was $5, and it's going to pair really well with my bow pillow. So I plan on sitting this. I have a table in between the 2 big chairs in my office. I'm gonna set this on the table, add in this cute mug and tray, and it also has a little bow on it. I don't even think I'm gonna use this because it's so freaking cute. I also got this mug and coaster. It was $5 and it's shaped like a heart, and then it has hearts that go around the handle. I'm going to use this in my room. So I don't know if you can see, I have my Santa mug right here underneath my TV. I don't use it, I just like fill it with candy. So I may replace Santa and put this mug up there. Okay, next item from Target is this heart-shaped vase. It's ceramic and it was $5. It has a really cute iridescent shimmer to it. And I'm going to use this in my kitchen next to my coffee pot. I keep like my pod creamers, like the small creamers, so I'll keep those in here. And I love the bow. I'm planning on doing a bow themed in my kitchen with red bows. You know how people have been making those bows that you put on your cabinets and it looks like a wrapping? So I have those, so I'm going to take the rose gold bows that I have on there now, replace them with the red ones, and then this is gonna tie everything in. Target also had these cherry coasters. They're red with like the pink cherry. It comes with 4. These were $1. These were $1. And they also had one with olives on it. It was white with like olives for like a martini. I'm gonna have these in my room because I always have like my Stanley cup next to my bed, just to be sure I don't ruin my furniture with, you know, water from the cup. I'm gonna have these like next to my bed because I may do the cherry theme in my room, but I'm not sure. Okay, and they also have some items for my Jeep peoples. Every single holiday, Target has like their holiday ducks. So I purchased a bunch of their Valentine's themed ducks. They do have 4 different ducks. They also have a blue one, but I didn't want the blue ones. But here's how they all look. So cute. So this one has a Stanley cup with her bow. My guy right here has the Sabrina Carpenter kiss on his cheek and a heart. And then I call this one the Beyonce Renaissance duck. He has glasses. Well, she has glasses on. With her cowgirl hat. If you have yet to see my Jeep reefs, how I do my reefs, so I'm planning on, and I'm gonna talk more about this later because it's gonna make sense when I show you the stuff I got from Dollar Tree, but I'm planning on making a reef for my tire on my Jeep, and it's gonna be Valentine's Day themed, and I'm going to glue some of these ducks around the reef. I know a lot of people use these for ducking. I'm gonna use the ones that I have left for ducking, but I really purchased these to put on my Jeep tire reef. I'll have a link down below on a short I did on my Halloween reef. Also on my Jeep gel cling stickers. This says Happy Valentine's Day. Yeah, I'm gonna stick these on my Jeep just to be like a little festive and stuff like that, because I love Valentine's Day. And the fact that my Jeep is burgundy, it's the perfect color for Valentine's Day. And this was $1. This was actually $10, but it was a heart-shaped rug. This is the only item that I got that was not $5 or less. And this is the back. So now we're about to get into everything that I have from the Dollar Tree. So y'all, I have like bags full. This is not from TJ Maxx. All of the stuff in here is from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has really like stepped it up this year. I've been decorating my bedroom and bathroom for at least 3 years now. If you look at my YouTube shorts, I decorate my bathroom almost every year for Valentine's Day. And this year I think is the best all of their items have ever looked. So starting with Dollar Tree, but sticking to my Jeep. So back to my Jeep tire reef. This is what I was talking about. This is mesh. Okay, so this is decorative mesh. It's like a purple, it's like a hot pink, almost purple color. So I bought a bunch of these, and I also bought a red color. This is what I use to make my Jeep tire reef. So my mom does like the reef for me, and they had different colors. They had, I think they had white and red, they had pink and red. I was thinking about making a bunch of these to sell to you guys. If you guys think I should make those Jeep tire reefs and sell them, let me know in the comments, because I would love to do that. And I'll probably like put it on Etsy or something like that, because we do have time. It's not February yet. So yeah, y'all let me know in the comments. But I purchased this little, it's like a purple and red iridescent heart. It's like, I guess some type of reef, but I was really thinking about putting this on the front grille of my Jeep. If it's too big, I'm not gonna put it there, or like maybe on the bumper, like putting some zip ties on it and zip tying it to my Jeep. You guys know Christmas just passed, right? And I don't really want to take down my Christmas tree. So in the kitchen we have a white Christmas tree that has rose gold ornaments on it. So instead of taking down that Christmas tree, we are going to keep it up, keep some of the rose gold ornaments, because rose gold is really close to pink. And I bought a whole bunch of items to put on the Christmas tree. So we have these little clips, they're like hearts. Clip them on your tree, $1.25 each. I have 3 of these. I have these little heart bursts, I guess you can call them, and these also clip on. So this is really cute. So since my tree is already rose gold and white, we want to add more red, so I have a bunch of these, $1.25 each. They had these little heart picks. I don't know, I just bought them. It comes with 7 in the pack, so we may just stick these in the tree. So I have 2 of these, $1.25 each. And I bought a bunch of ornaments. Dollar Tree had these heart-shaped ornaments, and they have, one is matte, one is glitter, and then one is like a shiny red. $1.25 each. I bought a bunch of these. Here's a Valentine's Day tree topper. So cute. They had red, pink, and I don't know, they had another color, but I got red. I had these cupcake ornaments, super cute, and it comes with 2 in the pack, $1.25 each. I have a lot of these. So all of these are going on my Christmas tree in the kitchen. They also had these metal ornaments. This one is black and red. It says love. This one is like a love letter. It says love you. So piggybacking off Christmas, Dollar Tree has Valentine's Day Christmas trees. So here's what they look like. They have a pink one, and then this was the red one that I got, and it has like hearts sticking out of it. So cute. So I actually do have a Christmas tree in my room. It's like literally behind this camera, and the only reason why I wouldn't use it is because it has a snowman at the top of the Christmas tree that you can't remove. I saw someone on YouTube put 2 of the Christmas trees together because they're really thin, like they look thick on the picture. So she just bought 2 of these. They were $1.25 each, and she zip tied them back to back and fluffed it out, and it looked really good. So I'm going to try that method. So I bought 2 of these Christmas trees to put in my room. Since the Christmas tree is red already, they're the same as the red ornaments, but I want to add a touch of like pink or this vibrant purple. Here are the pink ornaments, and they had a pink tree topper. So I have the red one for the kitchen, and then I got the pink one for my red tree. And I have these clip-on teddy bears. They come in red, purple, and neon pink. So I love teddy bears. Like, I love teddy bears. I don't care how old I am. I don't care how old I get. I love teddy bears. So when I saw that they had these little ornaments, I was like, yeah. So I'm gonna add in the teddy bears on my tree with the little heart ornament, along with the Christmas tree themed. They have this little decorative glitter Christmas tree. It was $1.25. And then they also had these plastic champagne glasses. So I do have a bar that's really close to my Christmas tree. So I'm just going to add these on top of the bar just to add a little bit of Valentine's decor everywhere in the house. So it's going to be really cute. So if you guys would like to see how I'm decorating my house, I'm going to do a lot of YouTube shorts, so subscribe to my channel so you will not miss them. I will show you guys how I decorate every single room using all of these items. So also in Dollar Tree, they have their $5 and up section. So they had these printed plush throw blankets. This blanket was $5, but this is how the print supposed to look. It's like purple, pink, and red hearts. Probably going to use this blanket in my office, in the office chair. So next from Dollar Tree is items I'm going to be using in my bathroom. So next to my tub, I have a small wicker basket. It's like this, maybe it's like this big. And I keep like my bath bombs, like anything I may need to grab for while I'm in the shower in the tub. Valentine's Day theme, I'm thinking about using like bath bombs that are only pink or red. And then I purchased a bunch of these little items to also sit in the basket. So this is a little sponge bath and loofah. I don't plan on using this. I'm only going to use this for decoration purposes only. Also had these spa headbands. These will be really cute for gifts as well. So if you're making a Valentine's Day basket for someone, these will be great to add in there. They're really thick. And last thing are these towel scrunchies. One has kisses on them and then one has hearts on them. I actually do use towel scrunchies a lot. I know this is going on forever. Last but not least, these are the last two items I got from Dollar Tree. These little hanging signs. So this one says, "Be my Valentine." And I told you guys earlier, I love teddy bears. Now, I don't like his red eyes. His red eyes are a little scary. They have so many different styles and colors and just different sayings and stuff like that. So y'all, please go check out Dollar Tree. So the last and final items that I have to show you guys are items from Five Below. So I just went in Five Below just looking around and seeing what they had. And I ran into these little like Valentine's Day plushies. So I actually purchased two of these and I'm going to use these as pillows. So these will not be like plushy teddy bears for me. I purchased two of the cherry little, they call it Smoochie Pals, right? And I'm going to use these as pillows. I may sit them here on the edge of my sofa. I'm not sure, but I just thought these were so cute. And since I'm going with like the cherry theme in my bathroom and in my room, I thought these would be a great addition. So yeah, these are gonna be pillows. These are not going to be teddy bears or smushy pals or whatever. I think they were $5. I'm not sure, but I think they were $5 because I wouldn't pay more than that for these. If you guys are planning on decorating your home for Valentine's Day, run now. But for the most part, y'all saw how much stuff I have. So I'm going to get to organizing and decorating my home. I am so sick of Santa Claus. Like, sorry Santa, but you gotta go. Like, Christmas is over with. So yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you do not miss any more of my videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.